Hello, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to get or find your USDT ERC20 on your Binance exchange. So if you're looking for your USDT ERC20, the first thing you have to do is to launch your Binance app and log in. The next thing is to tap on your wallet. On your wallet you have to tap on deposit. So on deposit you have to use the search option. You can see different kind of currency, different kind of coin here. Just tap on USDT if you do not see it, or use the search option to look for USDT. So this is my USDT. So the next thing I have to do, since I'm looking for USDT Ethereum 20, I just have to tap on Ethereum ERC20 as the network. Ethereum ERC20 as the network. So just tap on it. So now I can easily copy the link, and if I want to copy the link and send it to any of the exchange of my choice. So guys, that is it on how to find and copy your USDT ERC20. If this video was helpful, do well to like, subscribe, share, and do not forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful videos like this. Thanks for watching.